Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. And this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stabilize your videos for a smoother result. Sorry, I'm just laughed. This person just makes me like laugh all the time. Anyways, to stabilize your video, just select the clip and select stabilize, and there's like these three levels: recommended, minimum, cut, and most stable. You are going to select the most stable one. It does kind of like sometimes like zoom in a little bit. I'm not quite sure though, but it does make your videos more stable on CapCut PC. So it's like when you have like a shakier video, it will definitely like show up. Like as you can see from this clip, it doesn't really show that much. But I assure you, when you apply it to something a little bit more shaky than this, it will stabilize your videos better. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!